Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 supports wireless charging. Now currently I'm using this wireless charger to check if the Poco C75 supports wireless charging. Now currently I will use this iPhone 11 to check if this wireless charger is working or not. Now as you can see, as I placed this iPhone 11 on the charger, it started wireless charging. Now let's check if the Poco C75 supports wireless charging or not. Now let's place the Poco C75 on the wireless charger and let's check if it starts charging or not. Now as you can see, I have placed the Poco C75 on the wireless charger and it is not charging, which means that the Poco C75 does not support wireless charging. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 supports wireless charging or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.